right, we're gonna try this baby out here. As you can see, I've got like some messy stuff over here. I want to clean that up, and we're gonna see how it does. I just gotta plug it in and give it a shot. So let's do it. All right, so we're having a Thanksgiving dinner, and we need to keep this area clean. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot with the ECOMAX. And if you notice, it has this little attachment here, and that way when you're ready to put it away, you just kind of smush it on there, kind of keeps it on there. But now we're just gonna plug it in. And it looks like I gotta pop this one out for now. Ugh. Sorry, Alexa. All right, now we gotta get in there. And we're gonna go in like this. Yeah, there we go. All right, so we're all set. And now all I gotta do is just clean up this mess here. So let's go ahead, we'll click it in. And here we go. Our first look. It's definitely got good suction power. Really good. Oh, look at that. Got it. Looking pretty good, right? We got it all cleaned up. Yeah. All right. So as you can see, the thing definitely has good vacuum suction. All right, this thing works really good, I've got to say. And it's stainless steel. And you know, the cord's long enough. You got a long enough doohickey here. And it definitely cleaned up the mess. I think I've got some dirt underneath there that I want to get to. And I'm going to try to use this crevice tool right here to get under there and get it. So I'm going to show you guys how it works with this. All right, so the first thing I've got to do is put the tool on, which is pretty simple. I just take this one off. It just pulls off. And then I just slip it on like that. And now with this long sections, you know, because we've got 3 sections here, right? I can get underneath there and I can suck all that stuff up. So I'm going to give you guys a good bird's eye view of that. All right, let's do it. So you can see that's a lot of suction. So yeah, now look, see? It just comes off, watch this. So this thing is very strong. It's good vac. Highly recommend it. All right, so here's your cord, right? And all you have to do is just wrap it around here. Nice and tight if you can. Because you know you want to have as much room as possible. And once you get to here, on the bottom of this is this little catch that can smush onto the cord. Any one of these cords, like right here, watch. Bam, there you go, ready to go. And yeah, and we can take it outside and we can empty it, get all the stuff out of it. And yeah, there is sheet B right there, that's it.